Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and I'm all about helping you unlock your best self. Today, we're diving into something transformative, how to reinvent yourself in 2025, step by step. Whether you want to upgrade your mindset, career, relationships, or overall lifestyle, this video is for you. Ready? Let's get started. The first step to reinventing yourself is reflection. Take some time to think about 2024. What went well? What didn't? What lessons did you learn? Grab a journal and write down your thoughts. Ask yourself, what accomplishments am I proud of? What challenges did I overcome? What habits or patterns do I want to leave behind? Reflection helps you understand where you are now and what changes you need to make. Now it's time to dream big. What do you want 2025 to look like? Picture your ideal self, your health, career, relationships, and hobbies. Write down your vision in vivid detail. If you're a visual person, try making a vision board. Seeing your goals daily will keep you motivated and focused. A vision is powerful, but goals turn dreams into reality. Break down your vision into specific, actionable steps. Use the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. For example, instead of saying, I want to get fit, say, I will exercise for 30 minutes, 5 times a week. Clear goals make it easier to track your progress. Reinvention requires a shift in mindset. Embrace challenges, view setbacks as opportunities to learn, and celebrate progress. No matter how small, a growth mindset will keep you resilient and open to new possibilities. Your habits shape your life. Identify which habits are holding you back and which ones can move you closer to your goals. Start small and be consistent. For example, wake up 30 minutes earlier. Read 10 pages of a book daily. Replace scrolling with a productive hobby. Remember, small changes lead to big results over time. The people and content you surround yourself with have a huge impact on your mindset. Seek out supportive relationships, join communities aligned with your goals, and curate your social media to inspire and uplift you. Distance yourself from negativity that drains your energy. Consistency is the secret sauce of reinvention. Set a schedule, track your progress, and reward yourself for milestones along the way. Even small daily actions can create massive change over time. Life is unpredictable, but reinvention thrives on adaptability. Be open to adjusting your plans and learning from unexpected situations. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to reinvent yourself in 2025. Remember, reinvention isn't about perfection, it's about progress. So start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Share your goals for 2025 in the comments below. I'd love to cheer you on. Until next time, stay inspired and take care.